In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpage in Card. If you've ever wished your one-page Card site could have a simple subpage, this walkthrough will show you the built-in method that Card provides using a section break. It keeps everything on a single site while letting visitors navigate to what feels like a separate page. Start by heading to card.so and opening your dashboard. From there, choose the project you want to update so you're inside the Card editor. Once you're in, look for the Add button and select it. In the menu that appears, choose Control. This is where Card hides a lot of powerful layout tools. Next, open the Type dropdown for that new control and select Section Break. A section break tells Card, this is the start of a new page-like section. Give the section break a clear name. This label helps you identify the section when you link to it later. Short, simple names work best. Think About or Pricing. Once named, click Done to confirm. Here's how it works from this point on. Any elements you place below that section break will belong to your new subpage. Text, images, forms, anything you add under that break will appear when someone navigates to that section. If you ever place it in the wrong spot, you can drag the break up or down in the layer list to reorganize where the subpage begins. To let visitors open this subpage, link to the section from a button or a menu item. Select your button, set its action to go to a section, and choose the name you just created. That way, clicking the button scrolls or switches directly to your subpage. If you have multiple subpages, repeat the same process with additional section breaks, giving each one a unique name. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Saving frequently is a good habit, especially after adding new sections or links. Then publish your changes to your Card site. Follow the prompts to confirm and push the updated version live. Finally, view your site to test everything. Click the button you linked and make sure it takes you to the new subpage. If something doesn't line up, return to the editor, check the section name, confirm the button's target, and adjust the position of the section break if needed. That's it, your Card site now has a clean subpage style section powered by a section break ready for visitors to explore.